Hello friends, welcome to the Learning Club. So in this video, I will show you how can you make geolocation website very easily. If you know about some HTML, CSS, then you can create this website very easily. If you don't know about many JavaScript code, then don't worry. I also don't know about many JavaScript code, but I will make you understand whatever is needed for this. And just believe me, when you do a project, then you will learn a more than any specific tutorial. So if you don't know about JavaScript, if you don't know about APIs, then don't worry. I will show you how can you create a geolocation website very easily with HTML and CSS. So just here type Kolkata, 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 and this is the latitude value, longitude value. You can add many more about the Kolkata location, so I will show you later. And here just type Dhaka, so you can get the latitude and longitude value. So just refresh it, and here just type London, and yes, this is the latitude and longitude value. With this value you can create the weather application. So how can you create the weather application with Python and Django? If you are interested in Python and Django, then watch my channel's video. I already made about it. So just type New York. So get the geography data. So you can see latitude and longitude value. You can add more things. So how can you do that? So let's watch my video. So let's start. So at first just open the VS Code editor. If you don't have the VS Code editor, just install it and just search the author and just create here geo website dot html. Yes, this is our website name, and I just want to go at first bootstrap. So this is the bootstrap, and just copy the starter template from here. Design, it's up to you, friends. So yes, this is the starter template, and I just want to get the nav bar. So just find the nav bar. Yeah, this is okay. So now instead of hello world, just paste it the nav bar, and I want to change it to dark theme. So just scroll down, and here you can see the database theme is dark. I just copy this, and here inside the nav tag just paste it and just type here bgdark dark and save it, and just extend and another in extension, that means the go live extension. So this is the live server extension. Just search for the live server here, live server extension, and just install the live server extension, live server. So in this way you can click on this go live, and a live server has been opened. So you can see, just wait for a minute, just click on going live, and basically uh, this will create a link. This is a localhost link on your machine, and you can see it. And this practice is absolutely fine and okay. Don't do just like this and just open. Don't do like that. Just always open it with live server. So now going back to our project, and here just give a title. mm, just here give a title h1 class text center, and now just give a title geolocation website. Just give a title, and also margin x3, margin y3, padding x, 3 and padding y3. Now you can see the change here, and now here just create a container after that. So just type a deep text and class name is container, and yeah, it is a class container. And here also just give a input and type is a text. So you can search also from bootstrap for the input, any input here. Obviously it is inside the form input group. You can see the input. Many styles are available from here. So just copy an basic input tag and just paste it here. Placeholder, type the location. Type the location or type the city name, and type is text plus form control, and just save it. What has been changed, you can see it. Type the location name. Yeah, it's absolutely okay. Now create a button. So here enter, and just below the input tag create a button, and just give a class for the bootstrap class btn button, btn primary or success, 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 and btn large, and put the button name here also. Get geography data, geography geography data. So button between success between large get geography data. And now here I just want to put on click. So that means whenever user click on this button, then this JavaScript function will run. So what is the name of the JavaScript function? This is get location. This will be name of our JavaScript function. And after the button, I just want to show the data. So here, just create a deep text and give a class margin x to margin y to padding x to padding y to, yeah, just save it. So basically here I create a container class, and inside the container class just mm, here it is the input tag with here just type the location of type the location or any city name here. Get the geography data, and here it is a button button. Just save it, and yes, refresh it. So where is our button, man? Where is our button? success, success. Yeah, this is our button. So actually get geography data, it is the name of the button. And just button, I just want to gap between input tag and button. So yeah, I can do that also. Margin x to margin y to, also do the padding here. You can see the button has been shifted. So here type the location name and get the geographic data. So you can add also the picture here, like whatever you want with the image tag. So here I don't put any image. I just going straight to the point. Just give the geography data. So for this you need the API. So what is the API? This is the OpenCage API. The OpenCage API, it will provide you the geography data of the location. So just go to opencacheapi.com and just log in, and it's absolutely free. And now you can see the pricing, but for the free you can do 2500 requests per day. This is enough. So just go to the dashboard and now go to the geocoding API after the login, and here in is the API key, and you have to generate a API key. Just do that. It's very simple. Here will be a key like generating API key. Just click on that. Your API key will be generated, and this API key is very important. Okay. So now here, so this API use the Axios. What is the Axios? I just want to show you. This is the script. I already made it earlier, and I will explain you everything. Don't worry. So what is the Axios? This is the axios.main.javascript. So actually, this API use these Axios for the getting the data of the geographical location. So just copy it, and I put this code into the description box. Just check it for the link. And now go to your code editor and just top of the script tag put this. This is now just go to here, and you can see here the function name and get location. Get location, obviously the function you can see. This is the get location function. So now what we have to do? So create the function get location at first inside the script. So here just type script. This is the JavaScript, and you can also here just type type text slash JavaScript, but I don't want to do that. So now inside the script just paste it and just create a function named geolocation. So after that we have to write some code. So give the second bracket, and inside the bracket we have to write some code for getting the geolocation. So what's the code? So at first we have to make the variable, two variable. First is location input. Location input will collect your location. That means whatever you type here, just I type here London. So this will take location input. So just copy the var location input. So now here paste it. This is a variable var location input. Location input is a variable. Then type document dot get element by id, and name of the id is location input. So just after that create another variable. So now create the variable. This will take the value from this upper variable. The location is a variable. Location equal to location input dot value. This variable will store the value of the location. That means whatever you type. So now make an API request. This is important. So just make the API request. Now just watch carefully. At first, just type axios.get, and then you have to make the UPI, not UPI, it's API request, and then axios.get, and this is the API request http api dot open cage data slash geocode slash person one JSON and encode URI component. The location it is a variable you have created, and just pass the key. So just copy this and paste it. So axios.get axios already I have imported axios.get, and this is the http api dot open case data. Just copy it. I will put it from the description box. Just check it. And actually you have to pass your API key with this API URL, and then type dot then, and dot then, and then just type the function and response. I just copy it and I will explain you. Function, and here just create three variables for the result, latitude and longitude. Just copy these three variables and paste it. So variable first result, and second variable is latitude, third variable is longitude. Result will store the data, and latitude will store the latitude of the geolocation, and longitude will store the longitude of the geolocation. Then display the result. So after making the variable, we have to display the result also. So then we have to create another variable, result container. And result container, I already have created an deep deep tag with ID. No, I here don't keep any ID. So I just to keep the ID. And what is the ID name? ID name is the result container. So here just paste it, the result container. Now you can see display the result and variable. You have to create a variable, result container variable, and just document.get element by ID. This is very simple. Type document.get element by ID, result container. It is the ID, and inside this deep tag, I will put my result. So that's why result container. After making the variable result container dot inner HTML. So inside the result container, I just put the inner HTML value. This I will show you just. So result container dot inner HTML. Latitude. This is actually HTML code. You know that be a tag. Just be what is the be a tag, and just type at first latitude. Then this is the this is the variable latitude. These variables store the value of the latitude, and this variable longitude will store the value of the longitude. And now just give a dollar sign before just type any variable in the JavaScript. You know already about that if you somehow know about JavaScript. So after that, our code has been complete. Just let the other things and then close the function. And after close the function, you have to type the catch function error. Also, if there is any error, so that's why you have to type also that. So close the function. So yeah, our function is ready. Function response, and here I started the function, then response parameter, and inside the response function is a variable result latitude longitude. Latitude will store the result dot geometry dot lat. This is the result, and this result is this. Result will store the value, and latitude will store the value of the latitude from the result. Longitude will store the value of the longitude from the result. And here result container, it is the ID, and inside this result container just put the inner HTML. Latitude is dollar latitude, and be tag, and longitude is be tag means next line, and longitude is this is the dollar longitude. Okay, so you put another be tag also if you need space, but this practice is too bad. So now here just type also the catch function. Just copy this and paste it here. So here just type dot. So after that, just type dot catch and function error. If there is any error, then just type console dot error. Just pass the error, whatever the error it is. Don't bother about that. And just close the second bracket, and second bracket for this function geolocation. Okay, our function is absolutely ready, and I will put this code only on the description box. Just check it. And I hope I successfully make you understand this code. So now just I think it's ready. Type any location in London. Mm, wait for the response. Hopefully this is not work now. So why save it and save it? Okay, so let's just pass the location name, any location name. Kolkata. So yeah, it should work. So just inspect console. Cannot read the property value. Reading location dot value. Location input dot value. Here it is the error. Location input dot value, and it is the location input. Yeah, our ID name. What is our ID name? Inside the input tag. So where is ID location input? Man, just give the ID. This is too much important. Location input. So just save it. And now it will okay. So you can see. So here just type London. So don't forget to give the ID. So here you can see the latitude and longitude value. So yeah, our website is complete and this website show the data of the latitude and longitude. So in this way you can create this geolocation website. So if you want to create the weather details website with the geolocation website in Python and Django, then just watch my channel video. I have made already a video on that. So this is very simple video. How can you create the geolocation website? And this website give you the data of the latitude and longitude. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video.